Alright, so digging in, getting ready to start removal of wiring harness. I'm just going to start right here at the minuscule fuse block. Note all the really shitty crimp connectors, and all of them are the same color. Which I'm glad I have a wiring diagram. So we're going to pull all of this. Oh, that's cute. Where was I? We're going to pull all of this hot mess out, because I've never seen so many green wires all at once. Get that going. Oh my god. Oh, come on, baby. Okay. Alright, well, fuse box is undone. That was easy. One thing I noticed is up here, obviously there's zip tie and misc green, what have you. But see, that's actually correct. But then there's, why is this to red? You see the factory connectors, they're bullet style up here for the headlight and turn signal ends. And well, let's just say whoever built this, yeah, oh boy. All right. Extra horns. All right. Well, that's cute. That came out. All right. Got that going. Come on. Right. And of course, there's some stupid crimp terminals where there shouldn't be, so we'll have to look and see what those go to. We may have to find and order additional little harnesses. We'll see, we'll get to it. Alright, so done here on the driver's side. I'm going to go unhook the passenger side. There, get all this out as much as I can. Let's see where we're at. Alright, so the horn and the overdrive relay wiring have obviously been dicked with. Let's look at, there's green, and then there's red, and what in the hell we got going on here? That's all butt connector, not right. No one knows how to solder. At least this is correct. Brake light switch. Okay, well, that's nicely corroded. Let's see. There's weird ones that don't belong. That's okay, we'll leave those alone for now. This out of here. Look, this side's actually proper. I mean, it's loose, but it's proper. So we'll leave those babies right there for now. Get this up and out. And work our way across here. I am saving the tabs because I'm going to put them back. And then back into our mess over on that side. Don't get me started about this bonnet light switch thing. What in the hell? Put most of the wiring out right now. Oh boy. Alright, gonna get in there and undo this voltage regulator wiring. And I guess start separating under hood from under dash. Dun dun dun! So almost everything from the engine bay. Ugh, God. Oh my God. Okay. anyways, damn near everything. I gotta undo the two main cables. But the engine bay itself is kind of unhooked and hanging out. So, getting there. I'm gonna go lay under the dash here in a minute and start pulling all that too.